Maintenance man here at Mr. Dog Poop Studios. Today, we're looking at the soffit on the building. And the screen is old, brittle, and it has holes in it. So we need to cover up the holes because last week, some squirrels got in there, laid some babies, and the babies were running all around the building. Now, Mr. Dog Poop thought it was funny, but Mrs. Dog Poop was not happy at all. So, she's got me up here patching the holes. So I bought some of this at Home Depot. It's vent material, it's aluminum with holes punched in it. And then I'm going to use 1/2 inch Tech screws, and these are lathe screws. They're very sharp points, and we'll be able to put those in the edges. All right, I think we got them all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these in my pocket so we don't have another tragedy like that, because that sucked. So one problem we have is there's some things sticking out, some nails. Make sure we get those out of the way. We'll keep a hammer up here so we can clear any things that are gonna block us. So this ladder's not made for hammer. Mr. Dog Poop is gonna be pissed that I spilled his beer. Luckily, there's a whole lot more where that came from. Essentially, we're gonna start at the top corner and try to get this lined up the best we can. So I'm going to take this up, I'm going to put the other side on, put a couple of screws in it to hold it. Hopefully the wind doesn't catch it and bend it before I get the other screws in. There is beer all over this building. So here we're going to come back and probably put some caulking over that. Definitely a two-person job, one person to hold the beer and the other person to do the work. We're gonna need probably a shorter ladder as we get down further. Didn't get it exactly on the center, but close enough. Now we just need to keep going. I still need to go back and do more screws because you can see it's not tight up against the building. But I want to get it installed first, and then I'll go back and make sure that there's no gaps in there that bugs can get in, wasps, frogs, squirrels. Could have had two people and run a chalk line and then lined it up. That would have been the smart thing to do. Maintenance man never does anything smart. So that was the tough one. Now I'm going to try to do it by holding the middle and put screws in, which should be a little bit easier. So now we're holding it this more in the middle. We're going to try to put these around each other so there's a overlap and get it lined up in the center. So I have about a 1-inch overlap, 2-inch overlap. So now we're screwing in both pieces. It's a pretty easy way to upgrade your soffit vent. You can get these aluminum pieces at Home Depot. They don't have them at Lowe's, they have them at Home Depot. And now instead of that 1970 screen, we've got an actual aluminum vent. And we're gonna need another ladder. Right now we're going to have to measure a piece and then cut it. I'm just going to measure it by eye. I'm going to do some overlap there, maybe 1 inch. So to cut it, I'm just going to use a square, go to the line, I mark the line on it. I'm just going to take a pencil or a marker, Sharpie, and then using some tin snips, I'm going to cut it. If I cut it like this, it's going to crush it. So when you cut it, try to cut it in pieces. And it literally cuts like cutting paper. So it is not a hard process. But you will get sharp edges, so be extremely careful. This is right now like a serrated blade. So I'm going to bring this down around here. Now I've got a little bit of a gap here, but I'll come back with some caulking, caulk that in, some painter's caulk, and that'll seal that up. So now that I'm here, I see I've got a little bit of a problem with the roof separating up on top. So since I'm here with ladders, I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. Anytime you're doing a repair and you've got 3 ladders out and a video guy filming you, it's the perfect time to make other repairs. Because the last thing you want to do is have to pull everything out again when you were right there and could have done the repair in a couple minutes. So I ripped the shingle a little bit, not the end of the world, it's already over another shingle, but I'm gonna go ahead and roofing cement in there. I'm gonna put some roofing cement over the nail holes, put that back together. So this was up, and you can kind of get under these, but they're one piece. People are gonna tell you, oh, don't do what I'm about to do, but it's done all the time, and it's on the overhang. So I'm more worried about keeping it down. That is gonna bother a lot of people, having that exposed nail. But it's done all the time. I could replace the shingle, but I am just going to put this roofing cement over it. That'll seal that up if you're worried about it leaking. And now that's down, and since we glued it, put a couple nails in it, that should all be fine. It's not like we get hurricanes around here. We're still clearing the grass areas of debris and hope to have that done next month, barring any additional hurricanes or tropical storms. So while we lost nice areas, we have new opportunities and new looks temporarily on the outside. At least that's what we're trying to tell ourselves. You know, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Mr. Dog Poop was out, and he wants that piece fixed so it lines up with the other one. Of course he does. I'm gonna go back up and take that down, continue on, go around the sides. On the ends, we're gonna do 45-degree angles. Same thing, cutting the metal. There's no reason for you to watch me for 2 more hours to finish. You can see how it's done. If you need to change your soffit vents from old screen to aluminum, it's pretty easy. You're gonna need a few beers because you might drop some. Otherwise, it's a pretty basic job. Mr. Dog Poop's maintenance man here, and today we have another problem at Mr. Dog Poop Studios. Apparently, the vent on the underhand, oh, fuck.
Get your beer.
Fuck, yeah, I forgot.